sure if you guys are too familiar with where I'm at right now, but I got the M4 GD2. It's one of the roads that I like driving on. I love how it goes with the twisties. I'm not yet a professional on it, so let me not say that, but I just enjoy it. I come out here and take my bad boy M4 or any car I have. I think I took the 435, the M340. I think all my cars over here just to enjoy it, drive it. A beautiful day like today. It's actually Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Shout out to all you guys out there who are celebrating Thanksgiving. Me personally, I'll eat later, but I want to go for a nice little drive. This video might actually come out later than that, but yeah, man, I don't know. Nice, peaceful. You hear that sound? I guess that's something that I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for peace, quiet, you know, nice roads and fast cars. And I'm also grateful for, you know, like the typical stuff like family and all that stuff. I'm grateful for you guys. Take what, the 10 minutes long. This video is gonna be pretty short. Out to watch this whole video through, because I mean, I don't know, I'm just gonna be out here doing what I do, enjoying it. I love it. So you guys out here that love cars, you guys love filming, you guys love YouTube business, whatever the hell you love, go out there and do it. Enjoy yourself. Personally, if you ask me, I think every single person should try YouTube, at least if you have like a business mindset. I think this is probably one of the best ways to get out there, kind of understand how business works while still having fun at the same time. I see a lot of guys who start YouTube channels and they quit. You got to think about it like this, right? If you can't do YouTube videos and because your life is busy, I'm pretty sure any other business or company or thing you do will hinder as well. You just got to really be out there and get it. The second thing that I notice a lot is a lot of people, they don't get the instant gratification. It's a long haul with this type of stuff. I'm nowhere near super duper, you know, there or successful on YouTube. I just come out, I drive my car, and you guys love it. One of the biggest things, people really don't want to do the hard work and the groundwork for YouTube. People just want the things that YouTubers have. For instance, like you'll hear people say, about, oh my God, TJ, how you got so many cars? Like, and they want to be a YouTuber because they see what the people have because they do YouTube, instead of actually wanting to do it for the passion. Don't get me wrong, some days I'd be like, fuck this. And then some days I come out here like today and I'm like, yo, you know what? Instead of going out for a drive by myself, I'm gonna bring the camera and talk to you guys for a little bit. I mean, that's just it, right? There's nothing much more to it. I jump in my car, get a little bit warmed up. We do have an update on some damage check though. I just found this the other day. So this side right here, I think I might just have to end up getting this thing resprayed before I let it go. Cause this is like a rock chip or something right here. See, it got completely obliterated now. And on reality, you know, let's be realistic here. I don't know how much it costs to refinish, but if you ask me, it's a hell of a lot cheaper than PPF and maintaining PPF. I feel like YouTube will prepare you for a lot. It'll prepare you for a lot of ups and downs because that's how it goes. You could drop a video to get 100,000 and then you think you made it, you at the top, and then your next video bombs, you know? I think 9 to 5, W2 or whatever you want to call it, working for somebody ain't bad. You know, I work for somebody and I'm gonna do that till I retire. I doubt I'm gonna leave my job for YouTube or anything like that, and there's nothing wrong with that. I think there's a huge push in people wanting to start a business, but what a lot of people don't realize is that that motion of making you feel bad about where you're at in life comes from people who are trying to sell you things that you think will make your life better, to make you happy, or if I'm making any freaking sense. And the reality is you would be happy just doing what you want and you truly enjoy, instead of, you know, trying to search for things that's trying to make you happy because it kind of makes you broke because you keep buying them courses, and them courses ain't doing nothing for you because you don't really want to do it in the first place. You just want what they have. Hopefully I'm not rambling. I think you guys at this point just want to see me hit the road. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do one pass going down, probably with the POV, and the next pass, I want to try this again. I keep screwing up the design or the idea, but I want to put the GoPro in the back and try to get the carbon fiber back seat thing, because you don't see the carbon fiber. You don't see the carbon fiber. So do I recommend them? Hell yeah. 35, now they're 40, $500 instead of 38, and the whole car's gotten a little bit more expensive, but you just feel like you're sitting in the car versus on top of the car. Boy. All right, so let me, man, I really like this thing, man. I really do. I'll tell you one thing, if I was something else, like a car collector, or like not a YouTube guy that just makes videos in the same car constantly, which does get boring, I probably would keep this car forever, for a long time. It makes financial sense. But you know, over time you just get tired of filming the same thing. That's why I be branching off, filming other cars and driving other cars, experiencing other cars, because it's just what I love to do, you know. Let me charge up my GoPros. Yeah, but this stuff will teach you a lot. I'm charging up my GoPros right now. The batteries, you know, got this little thing. There's so many little things to it. Sometimes you record videos, there's no audio. Like, I think a lot of challenging problems that if you can overcome it here, I think you having another business or something wouldn't be a bad idea. And to all the shop guys out there, we should stop now, like if you're in a shop or something like that, yo, get a YouTube guy. If you don't have a YouTube guy, you know, pay somebody, hire somebody, or be it yourself. It's interesting way. It's a lovely way to promote your business. You can scale. You can start selling stuff worldwide. You know, people love you, your personality. I mean, they may hate you too, but I think it's a great business move. You already had that mindset. You know what it's like. Maybe easier for you to just go out there and hire somebody, but you know, nonetheless, I think social media is a good way to get your names out there. And Instagram is cool, don't get me wrong, it's cool, and the short form content is doing very well. It's easier, but there's just something about YouTube that I think will just be there forever. And you know, you just have different types of loyalty, subscribers and fan bases when it comes to YouTube over like Instagram. So I don't know, that's just my take on it, but you can go enjoy this road. So I just want that Ford Taurus to kind of get out of my way a little bit, so I'll let him go. That's fine. I gotta turn that damn transmission down. Shit. That, my friends, is rear-wheel drive, some Pirellis, 54 degrees outside, and the tire temps in the rear are way too damn high. I get scared because I don't want to mess up when I jump over this cliff. If nobody was there, I'd have took it way harder. Turn this thing all the way down. It's a tight one right here. And it's a driveway. Yo, if there was nobody, like if I knew that they would block off everything and I was able to like slide over there a little bit, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I would body this road. Like I got it. I already know I got it in me. I would kill this road, bro, kill it. But the thing is, yo, when you're on a street, it adds that excitement, you know, cause you in the street. Somebody gonna go? You know, I'll be the one to take initiative. Okay, so you gonna go? God. Damn, bro, we've been sitting here for 30 years. But I know I body it. Like, I already know I kill that road, boy. But, like, the street adds a certain level of excitement because, I don't know, just driving down one day calm, you're like, I want to take this real fast. You know, the track is cool, don't get me wrong, but the streets is better. It's just that that added bonus of, like, you know what I'm saying? There be people coming out like, you don't want to eat that, bro. You don't want to eat that. You fuck up, boy. You fuck up bad. That's that new 7 Series. I miss that car. I miss the 7. Like, I would definitely hold on to something like that if I knew there was, if the depreciation wasn't terribly crazy and I had a way to make money off of it, if that makes any sense. Like, what, like a chauffeur business or something that I had a way to make money off of it, I'd do it, you know. But I just can't. It doesn't work for me, you know. So it sucks. Those are cars that I want, but I can't have. There's one of them speed camera things. You gotta be easy over here. I mean, you should be easy anyway. There's the elementary school. But yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I enjoyed making it, and let's just see how it came out. I'm trying something different. We're doing 5.3K, 30 frames per second, linear. I want to see how the camera comes out. Hopefully it doesn't look too GoPro-ish, but we'll see. Peace. Scared. I forgot this is a damn shooting range. Oh Shot the school up. I thought it was over for some people. It's almost like the traction control system learns. Oh, look, my boy Eamon's calling me. Yo.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, baby?
Where you driving?
I'm doing about 75 through a couple twisties right now. Nice 2-lane road. If I fuck up, there's a ditch on the right, there's a ditch on the left with some trees. What's up?
Alright, so I know where to find you then.
Oh, yeah, I don't even know where to find